Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this intro training course on LollyLaw. My name's Chris, Customer Success at Lolly, and in this video, we'll go over how to download your form and view it as a PDF. In previous videos, we went over how to populate your forms with LollyLaw, taking the information from your client's contact profile in their contact record and populating the forms. In this video, we'll go over specifically how to download the form and open it as a PDF. To get started, we'll come here to Lolly Forms and we'll click on the download button in the top right corner once we're ready to download. In this example, I've already added my client's information to their contact profiles, and now I've added them as subject fields to this form. The form is now populated with the relevant information, so I'll click on the download button to download the form. It'll appear at the bottom of my web browser. If I don't already have a PDF viewer set up, where PDFs are automatically opened from my web browser. Check out our other video on how to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF viewer on your computer. Now that I've downloaded the form, because my computer is automatically set up with Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF viewer, this form has downloaded to my computer as a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. See, the form is already filled out with my client's information, and I've opened it in Adobe Acrobat Reader. We recommend downloading forms and opening them in a PDF viewer such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, rather than opening the form as a PDF in your web browser. Certain forms contain dynamic barcodes at the bottom of the form, which require them to be opened in a PDF viewer such as Adobe Acrobat. Please check out our other video on how to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF viewer on your team's computers across your office. Learn more about how to download forms once you've populated your client's information to them. Please visit our help site at help.lollylaw.com or email us at support@lollylaw.com. We're happy to help.